What if a simple, fragrant herb could transform your health without expensive supplements or drastic diets? This unassuming plant, lemongrass, is affordable, accessible, and packed with benefits for your heart, mind, and digestion. Imagine starting your day with a soothing drink that supports your body's vital systems. Lemongrass has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now science is catching up to its potential. Today, we'll reveal how to easily add this powerhouse herb to your routine for lasting wellness. Get ready to unlock the secrets of lemongrass and make it a star player in your health journey. Lemongrass, or Cymbopogon citratus, is a tall, citrus-scented plant native to Southeast Asia. Its signature aroma comes from citral, an essential oil with powerful health benefits. For generations, lemongrass has been used in teas and remedies to ease fevers, digestive issues, and anxiety. The lower stalk is where the magic happens. Peel away the tough layers to reveal a tender, flavorful core. This core is packed with nutrients and aromatic oils, making it a staple in both kitchens and traditional medicine. When you use lemongrass, you're tapping into centuries of natural healing wisdom. Let's explore how this ancient herb can benefit you today. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can quietly damage your body for years before symptoms appear. Many people don't even realize they have it until it's discovered during a routine checkup, and by then, it may have already affected the heart, kidneys, or blood vessels. Managing blood pressure is crucial for long-term health. But the good news is that there are natural ways to support your body alongside any medical advice you receive. One such natural helper is lemongrass, a fragrant herb used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Lemongrass isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals. It may also play a role in helping to manage blood pressure naturally, making it a valuable ally in your wellness journey. Lemongrass acts as a gentle diuretic, which means it encourages your body to flush out excess sodium and water through urine. This process helps reduce the overall volume of blood circulating in your vessels, which in turn can lower blood pressure. Unlike harsh diuretics, lemongrass works gently, making it a soothing option for those looking to support their health with natural remedies. Another benefit of lemongrass is its high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps balance out the effects of sodium in your body. When you consume enough potassium, it helps your blood vessels relax and supports healthy circulation, which is key for maintaining normal blood pressure levels. Including potassium-rich foods like lemongrass, leafy greens, and other vegetables in your diet can make a real difference. Many people have found that making a daily ritual of drinking lemongrass tea not only supports their blood pressure, but also brings a sense of calm and mindfulness to their day. The soothing aroma and gentle flavor of lemongrass tea can help you slow down, take a break, and focus on your well-being, which is just as important for heart health as any nutrient. You can also add fresh lemongrass to salads, soups, or stir-fries, making it easy to incorporate this beneficial herb into your daily meals. By choosing potassium-rich herbs and vegetables, you're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain balance, support healthy blood flow, and protect your heart for years to come. Embracing simple natural habits like enjoying lemongrass tea or adding fresh herbs to your meals can be a powerful way to complement your overall health plan. These small changes can add up over time, helping you feel more in control of your health and well-being. Of course, it's important to remember that natural remedies work best when combined with professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you're taking medication or have a chronic condition. Your healthcare provider can help you find the right balance for your unique needs. Lemongrass may seem like a small step, but it holds big potential for supporting healthy blood pressure and overall heart health. By making mindful choices every day, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Cholesterol is a natural substance that our bodies need to build healthy cells and produce important hormones. But when levels of LDL, often called bad cholesterol, rise too high, it can start to build up in the walls of your arteries. Over time, this buildup forms plaques that narrow the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. That's why keeping cholesterol in check is so important for long-term heart health. One simple, natural way to help manage cholesterol is by adding lemongrass to your daily routine. Lemongrass is a fragrant herb used in many cuisines, but it's also packed with beneficial compounds. The star among them is citral, a natural oil that research suggests may help limit the absorption of cholesterol in your digestive system. By reducing how much cholesterol your body takes in from food, lemongrass can play a role in keeping your levels balanced. Imagine citral as a gentle gatekeeper, standing at the entrance to your bloodstream and deciding how much cholesterol gets through. This means less cholesterol circulating in your blood and less risk of it sticking to your artery walls. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. But lemongrass doesn't stop there. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation, a key factor in the development of heart disease. These antioxidants protect your blood vessels from damage, keeping them flexible and strong. When your arteries are healthy, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, and your risk of complications goes down. Incorporating lemongrass into your meals or enjoying it as a soothing tea is an easy and delicious way to support your heart. Whether you add it to soups, stir-fries, or simply steep it in hot water, you're giving your body a natural boost in the fight against high cholesterol. Remember, it's not just about adding flavor to your food or drink. It's about making a conscious choice to care for your heart. Every time you choose lemongrass, you're providing your body with the tools it needs to keep your arteries clear and your blood flowing smoothly. For the best results, combine lemongrass with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Regular exercise and healthy lifestyle choices will amplify the benefits, helping you maintain healthy cholesterol levels and a strong heart. So, the next time you sip on a cup of lemongrass tea or enjoy a meal infused with this vibrant herb, remember, you're taking a simple, delicious step toward a healthier heart and a brighter future. Stress affects your body and mind, but lemongrass offers natural relief. Its fresh, citrusy aroma, thanks to citral, has a calming effect on the nervous system. Inhaling lemongrass, whether from tea or essential oil, can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Try brewing a cup of lemongrass tea and taking a mindful moment to breathe in its scent. This simple ritual can lower stress hormones and help you reset during a busy day. Lemongrass tea before bed may also improve sleep by relaxing your body and mind. Make it part of your routine to unwind and recharge. Nature's calming scent is just a cup away. Digestive troubles like bloating and cramps are common, but lemongrass can help. Its compounds relax stomach and intestinal muscles, easing discomfort and supporting smooth digestion. Lemongrass's citral also has antimicrobial properties, helping balance gut bacteria and protect against harmful pathogens. Regularly sipping lemongrass tea after meals can reduce bloating and promote gut health. It may even help protect your stomach lining from irritation and ulcers. Think of lemongrass as a gentle, natural aid for your second brain. Add it to your routine for a happier, healthier gut. Simple, effective, and delicious. Ready to try lemongrass? This fragrant, citrusy herb is more than just a staple in Southeast Asian cuisine. It's a versatile ingredient that can transform your everyday meals and routines. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting to experiment in the kitchen, lemongrass is easy to incorporate and brings a burst of fresh flavor and aroma to your dishes. Adding lemongrass to your daily routine is simple and rewarding. Its unique flavor profile, zesty, lemony, and slightly floral, pairs beautifully with a wide range of ingredients, making it a wonderful addition to both sweet and savory recipes. You can start by using it in small amounts and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with its taste. For a soothing cup of lemongrass tea, simply bruise and chop the lower, tender part of the stalk. Steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the essential oils to infuse the water with their calming aroma and subtle citrus notes. Enjoy your tea hot for a comforting drink, or pour it over ice for a refreshing, cooling beverage on a warm day. To elevate your tea, try adding slices of fresh ginger for a spicy kick, a handful of mint leaves for extra freshness, or a spoonful of honey for natural sweetness and added health benefits. These simple additions not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the wellness properties of your drink, making it a nourishing ritual you can enjoy any time of day. Lemongrass isn't just for tea, it truly shines in a variety of dishes. Add chopped lemongrass to simmering soups for a bright, aromatic base, or toss it into curries and stir-fries to infuse your meals with its signature citrusy zing. It's also fantastic in marinades for chicken, fish, or tofu, helping to tenderize and flavor your proteins. Don't be afraid to get creative. Lemongrass can even be used in desserts, like syrups or fruit salads, for a surprising twist. When cooking with lemongrass, remember to remove the tough outer layers and use the softer inner stalk for the best texture and flavor. You can finely chop it, bruise it, or even blend it into pastes, depending on your recipe. When shopping, look for firm, green stalks that feel heavy for their size. These are the freshest and most flavorful. Once you bring them home, store lemongrass in the refrigerator, wrapped in a damp paper towel and placed in a plastic bag, to keep it fresh for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, you can freeze whole stalks, which makes it easy to always have some on hand. If fresh lemongrass isn't available, don't worry. Dried lemongrass or convenient lemongrass paste are excellent alternatives. Dried lemongrass works well in teas and broths, while paste can be stirred directly into sauces, soups, and marinades for a quick flavor boost. The best way to discover your favorite uses for lemongrass is to experiment. Start with small amounts in your favorite recipes, taste as you go, and adjust to suit your preferences. Try it in salad dressings, rice dishes, or even homemade cocktails for a unique twist. The possibilities are endless, and each experiment brings you closer to making lemongrass a staple in your kitchen. Let lemongrass bring fresh flavor, vibrant aroma, and a touch of wellness to your kitchen and your life. With just a little creativity, you'll find countless ways to enjoy this remarkable herb every day. While lemongrass offers many benefits, always consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine. This video is for information only and isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. Lemongrass can interact with medications, especially those for blood pressure or diuretics. Your doctor knows your health history and can guide you safely. Think of natural remedies as teammates. Your doctor is the coach. Discuss any new herbs or supplements with your healthcare provider. Stay informed, ask questions, and make decisions together. Your health is a partnership. Keep communication open. Lemongrass is a simple, powerful tool for heart, mind, and digestive health. Lasting wellness comes from small, consistent choices, like adding lemongrass to your day. Be curious, try new things, and see your kitchen as a source of nourishment. Every healthy choice is a step toward a more vibrant life. Celebrate your progress and keep learning about natural ways to support your well-being. You're in control of your health journey. Start with one small change today. Explore the benefits of lemongrass and build a healthier tomorrow. Your journey starts now. Keep moving forward.